good afternoon. This Lexus from Internet Well Secret, right? So today I'm launching a new product in this Wallet Plus, what is called blockchain secret, right? So this is a very hot topic, right, on the blockchain secret. So in this blockchain secret, this is actually is a blueprint that talk about you're going to learn everything you need to know about blockchain, right? And how how we can profit from blockchain, can uh, leverage on these technologies together with the cryptocurrency, NFT, all these famous niches in the IM space, right? So in this, you're going to learn or get this question answer. What is blockchain? What is private blockchain? And what how this blockchain related to build Bitcoin and all this cryptocurrency thing, right? And how to use blockchain technology and how does what does this blockchain have to do with the Bitcoin? Right? All this is are you going to learn everything about this, right? So this is very hot on demand content on the blockchain. So the best thing is uh, for this price of $9.95, I'm actually giving you a PR. Let me to say, if you get this ebook and together, not just an ebook, you're going to get other fast bonus one like checklist. Also, you're going to get cheat sheet and also the mind map and also to give you away a Bitcoin profit secret. Right? This bonus is also PLR included. Right? Some more, you're going to get the private label like to this product itself. So you're going to can sell this product as your own product and keep 100% on the profit, right? All the sales material, marketing material, graphic, everything is given to you with just $9.95, right? So jump on it, and this is only $9.95, and this is going one of the way you can make money of this blockchain secret using my PLR's product, PLR ebook. Again, after that, you're going to have an upgrade version about this blockchain. This is a video course series of the blockchain secret, right? So in this video course series, the upgrade of this front end, right, which is $9.95. So the upgrade here is $27. You're going to get learn. There's a 10-part training CD whereby we learn everything you need to know about cryptocurrency and how to develop a blockchain platform and the tips to invest in cryptocurrency, right? And the tips to get started in the cryptocurrency training, how to use blockchain technology, how to avoid things to avoid when invest in the cryptocurrency, right? So you're going to learn both about cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology in a in-depth video course here, right? So it's only $27, and again, you are going to get a full PRR right for this, right? This a blockchain secret upgrade, right? So the third one is my OTO tool, right? This is even is a bigger bundles here, right? This the value I'm giving to you here under this NFT PRR courses, right? So this is a compilation of over 90 exclusive NFT cryptocurrency courses. So mainly it's about NFT. So NFT is one of the really hot topic in the IM space right now. Everyone is talking about NFT, and we would like to learn how to benefit, how to profit from NFT, and you should actually grab this 95 exclusive NFT and cryptocurrency courses, right? So you will learn how to create, buy and sell NFT and how to make money with cryptocurrency from this compilation of the courses here, right? So so this is against I'm giving you a full PLR private label, right? You mean to say you are free to sell this 95 courses as your own product. You can bundle it, you can edit, you can add your name, right? You can do whichever you want because you are getting a full PLR right with this purchase, right? You can give it away as a free gift, as a lead magnet to build a list, right? So a lot of potential and earnings opportunity here, right? Imagine it is such a hot topic about blockchain, NFT, and also cryptocurrency, and I'm having the best compilation of all the courses you need to learn about NFT, cryptocurrency, and also about the blockchain, right? So, Tech Fast section during this launch period, 5 day launch period, is going to all this the all this front end and the two audio is going to launch today 11 a.m. EXT on this Wallet Plus, right? And all come with a full BLR, right? You are able to profit from my product, right? Or you can keep it for your own learning. You can use it to build your list, and you can even use all this content to build your YouTube channel that talk about NFT, that talk about cryptocurrency, that talk about blockchain, right? You are going to get a lot of follower, a lot of view, because these are the three very hot topic currently in the IM space, right? So take this opportunity, grab this video course with all this valuable content I'm giving to you with the full BLR, right? Thank you, and I hope you will enjoy my new product, and you're going to profit a lot from my new product for sure, right? Thank you, and have a nice day.